SSC today explanation IBPS RRB Clerk prelims paper number 20. Let's start the question number 41. A says 6 years hence will be equal to thrice of B's present age. 4 years ago the sum of the A's age and B's age was equal to twice of C's present age. If C is 13 years old at present, what is the A's present age or not? We required A's present age. First of all, C present value how many years? 13. When C present value 13 years. Next, A says 6 years hence will be equal to thrice of which one? B's present age. Means A after 6 years will be how many parts? 3 parts. After 6 years A value 3 parts means present value of A is 3 parts minus 6. And thrice of which one? B's present age. Means B present age we are consider 1 part. A present value 3 parts minus 6 and B present value 1 part. Next, 4 years ago the sum of the ages of A and B was equal to which one? Twice of the C present age. Already C present age is how much? 13. Twice means how much? 26. The 26 equal to 4 years back sum of A and B ages. 4 years ago sum of the A and B was 26 years means present sum of A and B is A and B present 26 plus 8 because each one how many years are added? 4 years. Then 2 persons 8 years. 26 plus 8 34. The 34 is the sum of the A and B. Total how many parts? 4 parts minus 6 equal to how many years? 34. 4 parts value 40. Then every 1 part 10. What a question here? What is the A's present age? A's present age means we required 3 parts minus 6. What a 1 part value? 10. Then 3 parts value 30. 30 minus 6. 24. Then answer 24 years. Next, moving on. Next question. Question number 42. Total interest received when 300 is invested for 3 years in a scheme A offering simple interest at R% per annum and that obtained when 780 is invested for the same time in scheme A at the rate of R% per annum is 648. What is the value of R? What is the rate of person in first one? R%. Second one also rate of person? R%. And time period in first one 3 years. Second one also same time or different time? Same time. Means rate of person is same, time also same. Per annum rate of person R%, then number of years 3 years. Then 3 years interest is 3R% and 3R%. But here total interest is given. Total interest means interest on first one plus interest on second one. What is the principal of first one? 300. Principal of second one? 780. 300 plus 780. Total how much? 1080. Then 3R% of 1080, it is equal to how many rupees? 648. Simplify this one, we are get the R value. No? First 12 how many times? 9, 0. 12 how many times? 5, again 4. And here 18, 5, 18, 3. Then 3 get cancelled. 5R% equal to 1 means R value equal to 20%. R equal to 20% per annum. Which option? First, fourth one. Next question number 43. The population of village B was 2400 in 2003. It is increased by 10% from 2003 to 2004 and by certain percentage from 2004 to 2005. If the population of the village B was 3036 in 2005, what was the percentage increase in the population from 2004 to 2005? First of all, year 2003 population is given how much? 2400. From 2003 to 2004, how much percent are increased? 10%. What are 10% of 2400? 240. After adding 240, it will become 2640. 2640. It is 2004 value. Again from 2004 to 2005, it is increased by some percent. After increased, it will become in 2005, how much? 3036. What is the 2004 value? 2640. What is the 2005 value? 3036. How much value are increased? 2640 and 3036. Difference is 36 and 40. 6 minus 0 means 6. 13 minus 4 means 9. 29 and 26. What is the remaining? 3. That is 396. It is calculated on 2640 multiplied by which one? 100. Okay. What is the 10% of 2640? 264. 10% value 264. Then 5% value 132. Then 264 plus 132. That is 396. 396 means increased percent is 15%. Which option? Fifth one. Answer is 15%. Next, question number 44. A can finish a piece of work in 63 days and E worked alone for 28 days and then B replaced him, and B could finish 1/3 of the remaining work in 10 days. In how many days can B alone can finish the whole work? First of all, A can do the whole work in 63 days. What is the 1 day work of A? 1 by 63. But he worked on it for how many days? 28 days. Then 28 days work of A means we written 28 by 63. 7 how many times here? 4. 7 how many times? 9. Means out of 9 parts, A completed 4 parts. What is the remaining work? 5 parts. Out of 9 parts, remaining work is how many parts? 5 parts. In that remaining work, B could finish 1/3 work or total work? 1/3 work. Means out of the 5 by 9, B can complete 1/3 work or not? That 1/3 work, 1/3 of 5 by 9 work is completed by B. How much time are taken? 10 days. What is 1/3 of 5 by 9? 1/3 of 5 by 9 means written 5 by 27. What is the meaning? Out of 27 parts, B can completed 5 parts. That 5 parts is completed in how many days? 10 days. 5 parts in 10 days means what is the 1 part value? 2 days. But required B alone can finish the whole work. B alone can finish means B can total work how many parts? 27 parts. 5 parts in 10 days means 27 parts 54 days. 27 parts 54 days. Which option? First one. Next, question number 45. A and B together invested 9,600 in a business. B share was 3,850 out of the total annual profit of 6,600. What was the investment made by A? First of all, here total profit of the business is how much? 6,600. In that B profit is 3,850. Total profit is how much? 6,600. In that B profit 3,850. First 0 cancel. 11 how many times? 6 times. 11 how many times? 3 times. Again 5 times. 60 is to 35. Again 5 how many times? 12. And here 5 7 times. What is the meaning? Out of 12 parts, B received how many parts? 7 parts. Means total profit is how many parts? 12 parts. Out of the 12 parts, B received 7 parts. What is the remaining profit? A. Then A and B profits ratio is how much? 5:7. A and B profits ratio 5:7. And here A and B together invested how many rupees? 9,600. And here time is constant. When time is constant, profits ratio is same as investment ratio. Total how many parts? Profit 12 parts. Means total investment also 12 parts. What are the 12 parts value? 9,600. But we required which one? Investment made by A. A investment how many parts? 5 parts. Out of 12 parts. 5 by 12 of which value you need? 9,600. 5 by 12 of 9,600. 12 how many times? 8 times. 5 8 is 40. Means answer 4,000. Next, question number 46. The respective ratio in the present days of A and B is 9:10 and the ratio of the present days of A and C is 9:11. If C's present age is 33 years, what is the B's present age? First of all, A and B present ratio 9:10 and A and C present ratio 9:11. Means from this one we written directly A in age is 9 parts, B age 10 parts and C age 11 parts. What is the ratio between A and B, A, B, C? 9 is to 10 is to 11. And see how many parts here? 11 parts. What is the 11 parts value? 33. 11 parts value 33 years. What is the question? B's present age. B present means how many parts? 10 parts. 11 parts 33 means 10 parts value 30 years. Which option? Fourth one. Next question number 47. The difference between the speed of the boat in downstream and that upstream is 4 km per hour. If the boat travel 28.8 kilometers downstream in 2 hours 24 minutes, what is the speed of the boat in still water? First of all, difference between the speed of the boat in downstream and that upstream is 4 km per hour. Difference between downstream and upstream. What is the difference between downstream speed and upstream speed? Difference between downstream speed and upstream speed, it is 2s. Then 2s equal to how much? 4. When 2s value 4, then s value 2. Next, boat travel 28.8 kilometers downstream in how many hours? 2 hours 24 minutes. What is the distance in downstream? 28.8. Time in downstream 2 hours 24 minutes. Per hour 20 minutes, per hour 60 minutes, then 2 hours 120 minutes plus additionally 24. Total how many minutes? 144 minutes. Minutes converted to hours multiplied by 60. That is equal to speed in which one? Downstream. What is the downstream speed? M plus S. M plus S. First of all, 28.8 multiplied by 60 means it is also written 288 multiplied by 6. 144 how many times? 2 times. 2 6 how much? 12. The 12 equal to M plus S. M plus S equal to how much? 12. Already S value 2. When S value 2 means M value 10. What is the question? What is the speed of the boat in still water? We required M value. What is the answer? 10. Which option? First one. Next, moving on next question. Question number 48. The total population of village B is 50% more than that of village A. The total male population in both the villages together is 1340. If in village B, the population of females and males is 420 and 780 respectively, what is the population of females in village A? And here two villages are only one. Two villages. One is village A, another one village B. In village A, males and females. First of all, village B, female is given how much? 420. Village B, female value 420. Village B, male value 780. 420 and 780. What is the total population of village B? 780 plus 420. 780 plus 420 means it is 1200. 1200 means village B total population 1200. But village B population is 50% more than that of which one? Village A. 50% means what is the fraction? 1 by 2. Means A population 2 parts, B population 2 plus 1. How many parts? 3 parts. Means A 2 parts, B value 3 parts. What is the 3 parts value? 1200. Then 2 parts value 800. Means village A total population 800. Next, the total male population of both the villages together is how much? 1340. Total male means male of A and male of B both are adding 1340. Out of 1340, we are subtracting 780. We are getting the male population of A. 1340 minus 780. 1300 compared to 1000, 220 less. Compared to 1000, 340 more. 220 plus 340. It is 560. 560. What are the remaining? 800 minus 560. Those are females in village A. 800 minus 560 means that is 240. Note the question. Total female population. What is the population of females in village A? Village A female population is how much? 240. Then answer 240. 240 means which option? Fifth one. Next, question number 49. The total selling price of an article when it is sold for a profit of X rupees and when it is sold for a profit of 2X is 1360. Means selling price of first item and selling price of second item is how many rupees? 1360. SP1 plus SP2 equal to 1360. What What is profit on first one? X. Profit on second one? 2x. But if the cost price of the article is how many rupees? 500. Each article cost price 500. Each article cost price 500 means total cost price of two items is how much? 500 plus 500. How much? 1000. Next, total selling price of two items is 1360. We know the total cost price, we know the total selling price. What is the total profit? 360 or 360. That 360 equal to profit on first item plus profit on second item. What is profit on first one? X. Profit on second one? 2x. What is the total profit? 3x. When 3x equal to 360, then x value 120 or x value 120. Required x value, what is x value? 120. Which option? Fourth one. Next, question number 50. Train A length 450 meters and train B length 300 meters takes 25 seconds each to crosses a vertical pole. What is the difference between their speed? Okay. First train passes a which one? Vertical pole. Second train also passes a vertical pole. When a train passes a vertical pole means total distance is only train length. Means first case train passes a pole means total distance is first train length. Second case train passes a vertical pole means second case total distance is only second train length. First case length of the first train is how much? 450. Time is how many seconds? 25. 450 by 25. Distance by time. We are getting speed. Speed of the first train. Next, second one. Speed of the second train. It is equal to what is the distance? 300. Time is how much? 25 seconds. Okay. 25 how many times here? 18 times. 25 how many times here? 12. Means speed of the first train 18 meter per second. Speed of the second train 12 meter per second. But here required difference of the speeds in kilometer per hour. 18 and 12 difference is how much? 6 meter per second. It is converted to which one? Kilometer per hour. Then multiplied by 18 by 5. 6 into which one? 18 by 5. 6 into 18 108. 108 by 5. 108 by 5 means that is 21.6. Which option? 21.6 kilometer per hour. Which option? Fifth one. Next, question number 51. Ashok purchased a watch for 1200 and sold it to Vinayak by earning a profit of 25%. Vinayak sold it to Raju, incurring a loss of 10%. How much did Raju pay for the watch? And here Ashok cost price is how much? 1200 and he sold it to Vinayak 25% profit. What the cost price of Ashok? 1200. 25% profit means adding or subtracting? Adding. What is the 25% of 1200? 300. After adding 300 it will become 1500. Next, it is Vinayak cost price and Vinayak again sold to Raju. How much percent loss? 10%. What is the 10% of 1500? 150. Out of 1500, 150 loss means selling price is how much? 1350. This 1350 is the selling price of which one? Vinayak, and it is also equal to cost price of which one? Raju. Here we required how much did Raju pay for the watch? Raju pay for the watch how many rupees? 1350. Then answer 1350. Which option? Fourth one. Next, question number 52. M invested P rupees in a scheme offering 15% simple interest for 5 years and the interest earned from the scheme is 1320. What is the value of P? What is the rate of percent here? 15%. Time is given how many years? 5 years. 15% for 5 years means interest value 75. Simple interest 15 is how much? 75. Interest in terms of percentage 75%. 75% value 1320. But required principal. What is the value of P means? Required principal. Principal is always how much? 100%. We know the 75%, but required 100%. First 25 how many times? 3 times. 25 how many times? 4 times. 3 again 4 and 4. 440 into 4. 440 into 4 means answer 1760. 440 multiplied by 4. What is the answer? 1760. Which option? Fourth one. Next question number 53. A shopkeeper earned a profit of 20% on selling an item if the difference between the cost price and market price of the item is 10 and the difference between selling price and market price of the item is 6 rupees. What is the cost price of the item? First of all, shopkeeper earned a profit of 20% on selling an item. 20% profit. What is the fraction? 1 by 5. Means CP how many parts? 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, how many parts are profit? 1 part. After adding profit, selling price becomes 6 parts or 6 parts. And difference between cost price and market price of the item is 10. And here difference between market price and cost price means market price is always more than the cost price. Already cost price is how many parts? 5 parts. Then market price is 5 parts plus 10 or 5 parts plus 10. Next, difference between the selling price and market price of the item is 6. And here also selling price and market price. Difference between selling price and market price. And here selling price and market price difference is how much? 6. What is selling price value? 6 parts. Market price value 5 parts plus 10. Then I written market price 5 parts plus 10. Selling price 6 parts. These two difference equal to how many rupees? 6 rupees. Simplify this one. We are get the one part. It is market price and it is selling price. These two difference equal to how much? 6. 5 parts and 6 parts difference is 1 part. Negative becomes positive. And here plus 10 and here 6. 10 and 6 difference is 4. Then every 1 part equal to how much? 4. Order question. Cost price of the item. We required cost price. Cost price means how many parts? 5 parts. Order 1 part value? 4. Then 5 parts value? 20. Then answer? None. Which option? First one. Next question number 54. Out of his monthly salary, Ram spent 10% in paying house rent. Out of his remaining salary, he spent 25% in buying groceries, and the remaining salary he puts in his FD. If the amount put by Ram in his FD is 27,000, what is his monthly salary? Okay. First of all, monthly salary we are always consider 100%. Out of the 100%, 10% is spending for house rent. Or the remaining balance 90%. In that 90%, 25% in buying groceries, and the remaining salary he puts in his fixed deposits. Out of 90, 25% spending for groceries means remaining value 75%. 75% of which one? 90. That 75% of 90% equal to 27,000. What a question? Monthly salary. How much percent we need? 100%. Okay. First 25 3 times, 25 4 times. 390 is how much? 270. 270 means 100 times. Okay. 4 into 100, 400. And here 2% but here only 1%. Means 1% is cancelled. Again we are getting multiplied by 100. 400 into 100 means what is the answer? 40,000. Which option? Third one. Next question number 55. A and B invested 2,500 and X respectively in a business. After 10 months, B left the business. Means B invested for how many months? 10 months. And if the respective ratio in which the annual profit was divided between A and B was 3:1. What is the value of X? First of all, what is the A investment? 2,500. B investment X. But B left the business after 10 months. Means starting to ending A investment are using. What is A investment? 2,500. It is used for how many months? 12 months. What is B investment? X. Used for how many months? 10 months. That is equal to profits ratio of A and B. What is A profit? 3 parts. B profit 1 part. First 0 0 cancel. 3 how many times? 4 times. 250 multiplied by 4. What is the answer? 1,000. Then X equal to how many rupees? 1,000. X nothing but investment of which one? B. What is the answer? 1,000. Next question number 56. Table chudamma. Next, the table differentiates the number of books read by 4 individuals. Okay, table differentiates the number of books read by 4 individual person. Ria 20, 20, 21, 22 and 23, so on. What is the first question? What is the average number of books read by Ria, Tim and Noel in the year 2020? How many persons here? 3 persons. 3 persons in same year or different year? Same year. First, what is the Ria in 2020? 45. Next, Tim value 64 and Noel 17. Noel value 17. 17 plus 64 how much? 81. 81 plus 45 126. 126 is sum, but we required average. Divide by 3 na. What is the answer? 42. Which option? First one. Next question number 57. Number of books read by Ria in 2023 was what percentage of number of books read by P in 2023? Ria in 2023. Ria in 2023 means what is the value? 60. Is what percent of PU in 2023? What is the PU value in 2023? 80. Okay. One is 60, another one 80. What is the ratio? 3:4. 3:4 means what is the fraction? 3/4. 3/4 means what is the percentage? 75. Next question number 58. Out of the number of books read by PU in 2021, 25% were by Indian authors, and out of the number of books read by Tim in 2021, if 15% were by Indian authors, what is the total number of books read by PU and team in 2021 were by Indian authors? Okay, out of the total, Indian authors are 25%, and out of the team in 2021, 15% read by Indian authors. First, 2021 PU value. 2021 PU value is how much? 72. In that, how much percent Indian authors? 25%. What is the 25% of 72? 1800. Next, team in 2021. Team in 2021, how much? 40. In that, how much percent were Indian authors? 15%. What is the 15% of 40? 600. Okay. First one, Indian authors PU 18 and Indian authors team in 2021 6. What is the total answer? 18 plus 6, 24. Next question number 59. What is the difference between the total number of books read by Ria and Noel together in 2021 and the total number of books read by Tim and PU together in 2022? Read by Ria and Noel together. Ria and Noel in 2021. One is how much? 68. Another one 42. What is the together value? 110. Next, number of books read by Tim and PU together in 2022. Tim value in 2022 72. PU value 36. Together how much? 108. But we required a difference. What is the difference value? 2. Which option? Second one. Next question number 60. What is the total number of books read by Noel in 2022 and 2023 together? Total number of books read by Noel. Noel in 2022 how much? 64. 2023 86. What is the together value? 150. Together is how much? 150. Which option? First one. Next, number 3 chudamma. 40, 35, 45, 30, something and 25. What is the first one difference? Minus 5. Second one plus 10. Next minus 15. Minus 5 plus 10 minus 15 means next one plus 20. 30 plus 20 how much? 50. Which option? Second one. Next question number 62. 2, 3, 7, 22 something and 446. First one we written into 1 plus 1. Second one into 2 plus 2. Next into 3 plus 1. Next into 4 plus 1. 22 4s how much? 88 plus 1 means that is 89. Which option? First one. Next question number 63. 10 something 16 24 40 and 72. What is the last one difference? 32. last to second 16, 16 and 24 difference 8, half of the 32 16, half of the 16 8, half of the 8 4, half of the 4 2. Then answer 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 means how much? 12. Next question number 64. 4 4 something 32 256 and 4096. First of all, 4 and 4 how many times? 1 time. And here 32 and 256 how many times? 8 times. Suppose here I written into 2. 4 2s are how much? 8. 1 double 2. What is the 2 double? 4. Okay. 4 2s are how much? 8. 8 4s are 32. Then question mark value h. Into 1 into 2 into 4 into h. Next question number 65. 5 12 39 200 something and 1 2 6 7 2. Okay. First 5 and 12. Next 39 and 200. Into 3. 5 12 39 200. 39 5 times how much? 39 5s are 150 plus 45 195 plus how much? 5 or not. Next 12 and 39 into 3 plus 3 or not. Next here into 2 plus 2. Okay. 5 2s are how much? 10 plus 2 means 12. What the next one? Into 7 plus 7. 200 into 7 1400 plus 7 means 1407. Which option? Fifth one. Next question number 66. Simplification chudama. 512 multiplied by 2 divided by square root of 6400, that is equal to something by 5. Square root of 6400 means 18. Okay. 16 how many times here? 5 times. 16 how many times? 3 times. Again 2 times. Denominator 5 cancel. What is the remaining? 32 into 2. 32 2s are how much? 64. Which option? First one. Next question number 67. 153 plus 327 divided by which one? 24. That is equal to 5 into something. First 153 plus 327. That is 300 plus 150. 450 plus 27 plus 3. 480. Total how much? 480. Divide by which one? 24. 24 how many times? 20 times. Again 5 how many times here? 400. Then answer 4. Next question number 68. 16 cube divided by 2 power 4 multiplied by 8 square, that is equal to 2 power something plus 10. Right hand side value 2 power something means left hand side every value we are converted into 2 power something. First of all, here 16 cube divided by which one? 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means it is also 16 or not. Okay. Numerator 16 power 3, denominator 16 power 1. What is the remaining? 16 power 2 no? 16 power 2. 16 power means 16 power 2. It is also written 2 power 8 or not. Actually 16 means 2 power 4. Whole power 2 means it is 2 power 8. Next 8 square. 8 square means 8 nothing but 2 cube. Already power 2. That is 2 power 6 or not. 2 power 6. Then 2 power 8 into 2 power 6. That is 2 power 14 or not. 2 power 14. 2 power 14 equal to 2 power something plus 10 and question mark value is how much? 4 or not. Next question number 69. What is square root of 196? 14. Square root of 4900? 70. 14 plus 70? 84. Which option? Fifth one. Next question number 70. 900 divided by 30 multiplied by 40% of something, that is equal to 600. First of all, 30 how many times? 900. 30 times 100. 30 how many times? 600. 20 times 100. Okay. And here 40% means what is the fraction? 2 by 5 or 2 by 5. 5 into 20 how much? 100. 100 divided by 2. What is the answer? 50. 2 how many times? 10 times. 10 5 is how much? 50. Next question number 71. 7448 plus 216 plus something, it is equal to 9000. Okay. First of all, left hand side positive, so it will become right hand side negative. Okay. 48 plus 16 how much? 64. Okay. Out of 1000 we are subtracting 64 and the answer should end with 3 6. How many options are end with 3 6? How many options are end with 3 6? Only one option. Which one? Fourth one. Next question number 72. 1.2 multiplied by 12 divided by 6 plus 24.6, it is equal to something cube. First of all, 6 how many times here? 2 times. 1.2 into 2, how much? 2.4. 2.4 plus 24.6. 2.4 plus 24.6 means it is 27. 27 is which one cube? 3 cube means question mark value 3. Next question number 73. 51 square plus 22 square. What is the 51 square value? 2601. What is the 22 square value? 484. Both are adding or subtracting? Adding. 2600 plus 400, 3000. 84 plus 1, 85. Total 3085. 3085. Which option? 3085. Fifth one. Next question number 74. 347.8 plus 14.28 plus 9.36. All are adding or subtracting? Adding. First verify the last two digits. 0.48 plus 0.28. 0.48 plus 0.28 means it is 0.76. 0.76 plus 0.36. 76 plus 36 is how much? 112. Then answer end with 1, 2. How many options are end with 1, 2? Only one. Which option? Third one. Next question number 75. What percent of 4200, that is equal to 1575 multiplied by which one? 2. First of all, left hand side percentage 2 zeros cancel. 42 means 2 how many times? 42. 21 times. 21 7 how much? 147. What are the remaining? 105. 105 means 21 how many times? 5 times. Then answer 75. Next question number 76. 15 multiplied by something plus 420, it is equal to how much? 960. What is the difference between 960 and 420? That is 540. 540. 540 divided by which one? 15. 15 how many times? 3 times. What are the remaining? 90. 90 means how many times? 6 times. What is the answer? 36. Next question number 77. 2 1 by 5 multiplied by 2 1 by 2 minus something. 2 1 by 5 means we written 2.2. No? Next 2 1 by 2 means we written 2.5. 2.5. 2.2 multiplied by 2.5 means what is the 2 and half double? 5. When it is double, this one will be half. 1.1 into 5. 1.1 into 5 means we are getting 5.5. Out of 5.5, we are subtracting which one? 5. 5 and half minus 5 means we are getting 0.5. 0.5 multiplied by 20 means half of the 20. What is the half of the 20? 10. Next question number 78. 4 by 9 of something multiplied by 1 by 320 plus 18 and half, it is equal to 21. First priority 18 and half and 21. What is the difference value? 2 and half. 2 and half means right hand side we written 2 and half means 5 by 2. What is the left hand side value? 4 by 9. 4 how many times here? 80 times or not? Means left hand side we written something by 9 into which one? 18. 9 into 80. Something by 9 into 80, it is equal to how much? 5 by 2. First 2 how many times? 14. 9 into 40, 360 multiplied by 5. 360 multiplied by 5 means we are getting 1800. Next question number 79. 7 and half plus something plus 5, it is equal to 7 and half multiplied by 2. What the right hand side value? 7 and half 2 times means how much? 15. Left hand side 7 and half plus 5, how much? 12 and half. Out of 15 we are subtracting 12 and half. What are the remaining? 2 and half. Next question number 80. Square root of 15 into 9 plus 9 plus 54. 15 into 9 means how much? 135. 135 plus 9. 135 plus 9 means 144. Square root of 144 means that is 12. 12 plus 54. 66. Which option? Fourth one. Okay.